Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive, latest and trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women, many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle, fine hairstyle, beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle, trendy ideas of messy hairstyle, mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, in spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyle with undercut and shaved art, and so beautiful ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, and so attractive beautiful collection of undercut and shaved art. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas funky colors, and attractive ideas of highlights ideas in different hair dye with different ideas of base color. So beautiful overall collection, overall ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.